Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 A7. Emotion-packed design, sporty character, and innovative technology. Audi is targeting a new market segment with the A7 and is priced below $75,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist, regenerative braking system, autonomous braking. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.